Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. So today I'm gonna show you how to get this police car without getting premium. So as you know, inside here, this car costs premium. Yeah, I can remember. So how did I get it without having premium? So I'll show you what I did. So the first step is you must get this normal police car. Let's just turn it back. There, you have this police car now. So now, when you go to the back, you see a button that you can press. Yeah, you see that button, you press and press till you get this one. Hope you guys turn rich because of this hack. And so as well, goodbye.